Alright guys, welcome back. Now, I got this Master Lock number 19 from richardwales a few days ago, or was it yesterday maybe? Yeah, it's it's the biggest Master Lock that the Master Lock Corporation has made, and it actually has a very good core. It's a 6-pin core. That's the beginning on the key, and Rick told me that he got this lock from Lock Picking Lawyer, and I appreciate having the opportunity to try it. So I've been working on it now for quite a while, and I managed to pick it. I picked it twice now within 5 minutes, so I think I got it sorted. So let's see what we have. We have alright, that's the key. It works, and it's got a really heavy spring tension on that core. 6 pins, serrated pins, and I used top of the keyway, large tension bar, and Sparrows 15,000s to get around that sharp corner right there, so I can work from the bottom. Yeah, so let's see what we can do. If you can get this one open again. The trick is to find medium tension, not so much so you over tension the core, and not so little that you don't set those pins. But I think I'm going to trash this pick. It feels like that anyway. Alright. Five, 4, slight turn on the core, back on 6, 5 again, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Try number 6. Ah, come on. Back on 6. I think I overset number 6. See if we can get it back. 5, 4, 5, That was number 3. Four. Try number 6 again. 5. 4. 3. Number 3. There we go. Alright. So, yeah. Master lock number 19 from richardwales. So Rick, thank you very much for sending me this lock. Yeah, a real challenge for master lock. I think this is one of the best locks that Master has produced. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I'll return shortly. See ya.